Hey, I'm Chris, co-founder of TheirStack. If you're still checking job boards every morning to find sales signals, let me show you a better way. When a company posts a job, it tells you three things. They have budget, they have a need, and the timing is right now. With TheirStack, you can set up real-time alerts so you get notified the moment a matching job is posted. No manual checking, ever. First, go to Job Search and click New Search. This is where you define exactly what jobs you want to track. Add a job title filter. Let's say you sell data tools. You want to know every time a company hires a data engineer. Next, add a location. We'll focus on the United States, but you could pick any country, state, or city. Now filter by company size. Mid-market companies with 100 to 500 employees are often our sweet spot for outreach. You can even filter by keywords in the job description, like data pipeline, to narrow results to exactly the roles you care about. Hit search and you'll see all the current matches. We're pulling from over 300,000 job sources across 195 countries, so coverage is not an issue. Now save this search. You need a saved search before you can attach a webhook to it. Click the webhooks button in the top right corner of your saved search. This is where the magic happens. You're telling TheirStack, every time a new job matches my search, send me a notification. Enable trigger once per company if you're doing sales outreach. You'll get one alert per company, not one per job, so you won't get spammed. Choose from now on to only get notified about new postings going forward. Or pick all time to also include existing matches. Paste your webhook URL. You can send a Slack message to your team, create a deal in HubSpot or Salesforce automatically, or push it to Lemlist or Apollo to kick off an email campaign. Click Send Test Event to make sure your connection works. You'll see the payload arrive at your destination in seconds. Once it's live, you can monitor everything from the webhook details page, every event, every delivery, all in one place. Now, every time a company posts a data engineer job in the US, you get notified instantly, while your competitors are still refreshing LinkedIn. That's it. Set it up once, and you have a 24/7 sales signal machine. Try it free at theirstack.com. Link in the description.